Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 5 episodes, we are going to show you 25 tips for parenting your child with anxiety. So please make sure that you watch the other episodes as well. So let's get it started. 16. You and your child may bond when you give the OCD or worry monster a name. Personifying your child's anxiety enables them to separate from it and also creates a shared foe you can battle against. In moderation, encouraging your youngster to talk about their problems can be beneficial. If required, schedule a daily worry time that lasts between 5 and 10 minutes. Making a worry character might help you acknowledge the anxiety without succumbing to it, because ignoring worries doesn't work. 17. Allow for learning opportunities. You might be surprised to learn how resilient your youngster is. We deprive kids of the chance to recognize their own bravery and resiliency if we shield them from uncomfortable but safe situations. 18. Although all thoughts are beliefs, not all beliefs are thoughts. The topic of certain anxiety-related subjects may seem forbidden, humiliating, or perverted. Whether they acknowledge it or not, most individuals have these kinds of ideas, but there is sometimes a great deal of shame attached to them. An honest conversation about these difficult subjects validates, normalizes, and fosters a sense of acceptance. Accepting thoughts that make you feel ashamed or disgusted does not mean you have to agree with them or act on them. 19. A child's anxiety or OCD affects the entire household. Your child's O's and C's also have an impact on any other kids or family members who live in the house. This provides you the chance to openly discuss the OCD or anxiety strategy with your entire family. This will make room for queries or worries and indicate whether anyone else in the family requires assistance in securing your child's suitable care and support. 20. Be ready to encourage your child to act in opposition to what they are feeling, because the anxious brain doesn't always make sense. The flight-fright-freeze reaction still causes the anxious brain to respond, even in the absence of any danger. Brain chemistry deceives us into acting in ways that are not only harmful but also make things worse. Be prepared to encourage your youngster to make choices that go against what feels like the appropriate course of action. Getting better at this is a process. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.